If your Mac keeps showing storage full warnings, you're not alone. Running out of storage is one of the most common problems Mac users face, especially on devices with smaller internal drives. The good news is that you don't need to buy a new Mac or install risky third-party apps. In this video, you will learn practical and safe ways to free up gigabytes of storage using built-in macOS tools and smart file management. Let's start by understanding what actually uses storage on your Mac. Many users assume photos or videos are the main problem, but in reality, system files, cached data, and forgotten downloads often take up more space than expected. Now let's discuss prevention. Once you free up space, you want to keep it that way. Regular maintenance, mindful downloads, and cloud optimization help prevent future storage issues. In conclusion, freeing up gigabytes on your Mac doesn't require advanced technical skills. With a little awareness and consistent maintenance, you can keep your Mac running smoothly and efficiently. If your Mac feels slow or constantly complains about storage, applying these steps can make a noticeable difference. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tech guide.